Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set concurrent chat limit here in LiveChat. As the first step, go ahead over to your LiveChat account. Now go to the bottom left, click on settings. And then in this section, just find chat settings, okay? Now go ahead and click on chat settings and make sure that auto assignment or manual selection is selected. Okay, as you can see here, auto assignment says chats are evenly distributed among agents with accepting chat status. When all agents hit their limit, new visitors are queued. Manual right here, all agents got notified about customer waiting in the queue. Chat will be assigned to the first agent who picks it up. Okay, so select your preferred option, and then once done, as it says here, you can set the agent or each agent's chat limit in their profile details. You can go ahead and click on this hyperlink or just go ahead over to team right here and look for your agents. Now go ahead and find each agent, okay? And just click on the three dots. Now you can go ahead and click on change chat limit. And here, for example, you have the concurrent chats. It could be 6 or 10 per agent. All right. Unfortunately, though, you'll have to do it one by one. Okay. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.